What should we be drumming at rehearsals? Today we're going to talk about rehearsal planning and how you can approach your next block with intention to set yourself, your section, and your students up for success. It's the end of September and your marching band season. You've learned that opener music and drill is functional, but it's barely holding together. On top of that, new music and drill projects need to be initiated, and the exercise program that your group is playing has taken a back seat and has become very inconsistent. Does that sound familiar? So what should be the focus of the next rehearsal? Instructors and leaders make decisions on what to work on, but what are those decisions based on, and how do they decide how long each project should take? There were many times as an educator where I moved forward with a project without strategically laying out all my options. Here are 4 steps to help you design your upcoming week's rehearsal plan. Number 1. Does your group have a master roadmap or a plan for specific milestones throughout the season? For example, by the first week of October, the group will be able to march and play the first 2 charts. If a map like this exists, it's key that the percussion leaders of the program align their schedules to meet these major milestones. If this roadmap doesn't exist, work with the director or the leadership team to figure out what the high-level goals are for the next few weeks. Number 2. Based on this master roadmap, make a decision on whether the majority of the rehearsal is going to be focused on quantity or quality. For example, if the group has learned the second chart a week early, a rare but impressive feat, then it makes sense to allow time for quality-focused projects. Pick 3 specific parts of the show that have the greatest impact on the show negatively, and plan how to break those down. If your group is 2 weeks behind schedule, then spending the majority of the time learning music or drill makes sense. In situations like these, the leaders should shift their focus from cleaning to learning and optimize that process. We must acclimate our roles to the needs of the ensemble. Number 3, confirm your quantity versus quality ratios and align that with the hours available for next week's rehearsal. For example, you determined that 90% of the time this week should be focused on learning the music from the second chart and cleaning the music from the first chart. If you have 5 hours of rehearsal time available that week, then that correlates to 4.5 hours spent learning new music, which is quantity work, and then a half hour spent cleaning existing music, a quality focus. Setting boundaries like this will help you stay on track and help you validate the focus of your roadmap. Number 4, develop and document your schedule before the week begins, and share this with your team. Try sending an email or verbally communicate the goals with time breakdowns. This way, your whole team, including your staff and your students, can work together in harmony. We're approaching crunch time. You have to learn more music, you have to clean more beats, and there's a competition this weekend. Have a plan and balance your quantity versus quality focus, so each rehearsal gets you and your students the most. Stay humble, stay hungry, drum smart.